Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not updating on your iPhone. First, always check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi or cellular signal is crucial for updates. Next, try a simple restart of your iPhone. This often resolves minor software conflicts. Also, confirm you have sufficient storage, ideally over 100 megabytes, for the update to download and install properly. Finally, make sure your iPhone's operating system is fully updated. Moving on, let's focus on the Roblox app itself. Begin by completely closing the app from your iPhone's app switcher, then reopen it. If that doesn't work, try offloading the Roblox app from your settings. This clears its cache without deleting your data, then reinstall it. Always manually check the App Store for any available Roblox updates. Also, confirm that automatic app updates are enabled in your iPhone settings to prevent future issues. Now, let's dive into some deeper system checks. Try signing out of your Apple ID in the App Store, then sign back in. This can refresh your account's connection. If network issues persist, consider resetting your iPhone's network settings, which can fix stubborn connectivity problems. Also, temporarily disable any virtual private networks or proxy services, as they can sometimes interfere with updates. Finally, ensure your iPhone's date and time are set automatically for proper server communication. For our final steps, if all else fails, you might need to delete the Roblox app entirely and then reinstall it from the App Store. Remember to back up any important data if possible. If the issue still isn't resolved, contacting Roblox support directly is your best next move. To prevent future update problems, make it a habit to regularly check for both iOS and app updates. Also, always maintain at least 1 gigabyte of free storage on your iPhone for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.